ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ವಕೀಲರ ಪರಿಷತ್ತಿನ ಪರವಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇಂದು ನಿವೃತ್ತರಾಗಿರುವ ಮಾನ್ಯ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಧೀಶರಾದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಹರೀಶ್ ರವರು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಉಚ್ಚ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯದ ಒಂದು ಅನರ್ಘ ರತ್ನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವರು 16/6/1961 ವಕೀಲ ವೃತ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಜನನ ಮಾಡಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Honorable Mr. Justice Srinivas Harish Kumar was born on 16th of June 1963. He is enrolled as an advocate on 11/2/1987 and practiced independently in Chikkaballapur City Civil Court and High Court of Karnataka, Bangalore and civil side. He was directly appointed as District and Sessions Judge on 27th May 2002 and served as Additional District and Sessions Judge at Tumkuru and City Civil Court, Bangalore, and Principal District and Sessions Judge at Bidar, Chitradurga, Bangalore and Rural Districts. He also served as Director, Karnataka Judicial Academy, Bangalore, appointed as Additional Judge of the High Court of Karnataka on 14/11/2016 and as a Permanent Judge on 3/11/2018. Today, after rendering human service to the institution of Karnataka Judiciary, Honorable Mr. Justice Srinivas Harish Kumar has retired, and on behalf of the Karnataka State Bar Council and also on behalf of the young advocates, I wish him a fantastic retired life. Dear Chairman, on a personal note, let me say this about the Karnataka High Court. Contrary to someone's unnecessary and unwarranted comments, the Karnataka Judiciary, especially the Karnataka High Court, has not lost its grip with the able judges like Sri Srinivas Harish Kumar. The Karnataka High Court has produced some of the greatest judges like Justice Ramajoyis, Justice V.S. Malimat and Justice Hombegowda, who left the mark of accomplishment, though they were not lucky enough to be elevated to the Honorable Supreme Court of India. In the contemporary judicial scenario, Yatho Raja, that is the Chief Justice of the Karnataka High Court hitherto, and also the Tatha Praja, the contemporary additional judges of the Karnataka High Court, have proved their worth by their strong determination, hard work and unquestionable integrity. This includes the honorable judges recently transferred to other high courts and also the recently elevated Chief Justice of the Karnataka High Court. We are proud of such institution which is built brick by brick on the foundation of great values. Therefore, I welcome all of you to join this greatest institution called Karnataka Judiciary, and on your behalf and also on behalf of the Karnataka State Bar Council, I again wish a fantastic retirement life to Honorable Mr. Justice Srinivas Harish Kumar. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, ಈಗ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿತರಿಗೆ